To use Object Eraser on the Samsung A27 5G, you will have to open the gallery. Right now, just go for the photo that you want to adjust. For me, it will be like this one. Now click on the pencil icon, and right now click on this icon with the 4 circles. Then go to the Object Eraser. Wait right now, it will give you some suggestions with AI, but if you don't care about this one, by the way, you can zoom in and zoom out to more precisely remove something. In this case, let's say that I want to remove 48. So I can use my finger to draw around this, or I can just draw also inside. As you can see, it's automatically detect the 48, so I can click erase. I have to wait for that, but what if it's not gonna remove it properly? So I'm gonna show you what to do. Like, looks not bad, but still we can find something here. So we can just simply just start drawing like that. And now click erase one more time. And you will have to just keep continuing until you fully remove that thing that you don't really like. Now wait a little bit and click erase one more time. There we go. And as you can see right now, it looks a little bit better. Thanks so much for watching. See you. And I just forgot to mention, click done, and you will have to click save to apply changes.